One of the reasons I like using Media Encoder is when you're working with Premiere Pro or After Effects, you can send multiple different renders over here at a time, and you can have them stack up and, render whenever you're ready for a break. Let's say you're going to get some lunch or go to the gym or whatever, you can have this running, and it'll render all of them consecutively. Another cool thing about Media Encoder is you can send your renders over here and it can be working in the background as you're still working in Premiere Pro or After Effects. And with a lot of other software, if you are in the rendering phase, it pretty much locks up your software. Like you need to choose, are you either rendering or are you creating right now? You cannot normally do both at the same time. So as you can see here, we have our file pop up. Mine's already on DXV3. Most of yours may start on like a H.264 or something like that. But yeah, choose DXV3. That is what we are wanting. That is the Resolume native codec. And if you click on DXV3, I want to bring something to your attention here. If you go down here, normally I think it's automatically on normal quality, no alpha. Make sure you're choosing something with alpha. If you are uploading your loops into Resolume and you have a black background, that probably means you did not have a alpha channel attached. So you have no transparency with your loop. This is one of the first places I would go recommend to check if that's the case. And if that is the case, you do have auto mask. Having the alpha channel is superior to using auto mask within Resolume, but that is also an option. Yeah, choose normal quality with alpha or high quality. I do high quality with alpha. I also do use maximum render quality. That is not automatically checked. You will have to go do that. But I also want to show how to set a preset. So I'm going to delete my old preset here and I'll create a new one with you guys. I would recommend, especially if you're using DXV3 a lot, to go ahead and just set a preset. So hit this plus button, create encoding preset, and then let's go ahead and name it DXV3 with alpha. Format, of course, DXV3. And, one of the reasons I really like doing the preset is because, like I said, the alpha is not automatically on. So let's go ahead and turn it high quality with alpha and then use maximum render quality. Now, every time you use this preset, you do not have to go make sure those are checked. So you got that preset saved right here. And what you can do is grab and drop it right on top where it turns blue right there on DXV3, or this whole line really. But yeah, just drop it right on there. And you'll see that this section right here turns to your preset saved name. So you'll know. And then of course you also got the file directory right here to send it wherever you want. So I'll just go ahead and throw it in this guy for the tutorial sake. And then if you have everything set up how you want, just click the green play button right there, and that's going to start your render up. You can see a little preview image down here. And again, if you want to keep working in Premiere Pro or After Effects or whatever, you can also continue to do that while this is rendering in the background.